Hello everyone, welcome to Postnetwork Academy. My name is Bindeshwar and today we will dive into an important concept, quartiles. Quartiles are essential in understanding how data is distributed into four equal parts, and they are incredibly useful in data analysis and decision making. But before that, make sure to visit website www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel, Post Network Academy Facebook page and LinkedIn to get more videos and resources. Now let's get started. So we are given a data set of 10 values. We are going to calculate the first quartile, second quartile and third quartile using quartile formulas. So again, just recall, quartiles are those values of the variate which divide the distribution into four equal parts. Therefore, number of quartiles is 3. So, let us calculate the first quartile. First quartile is denoted by Q1 and to compute its formula is Q1 n plus 1 upon fourth observation. There are 10 observations, so n is equal to 10. So the Q1 is 10 plus 1 upon fourth observation, that is 2.75 observation. So second element is 4, but we have to compute for a 2.75. So 4 plus, we will take a weightage average, you can say that, of difference of the next values minus 4. So that would be 5.50, and you can observe that from the data set there are two values which is less than 5.5, and if you calculate percentage, so that would be 25% observations that are less than 5.50, and if you calculate observations which are greater than 5.5, so that would be 75, because 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 that are greater than 5.5 and less than 2 and 4. Now let us see the second quartile. So second quartile is denoted by Q2, and to compute its formula is n plus 1 upon 2, that observation if n is odd. If n is even, so we will take arithmetic mean of n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1th observations when n is even. In this case n is even. So here n is even, then we will take arithmetic mean of 10 upon 2th observation and 10 upon 2 plus 1th observation. That means 5th and 6th observations. And that would be 11. That means 11 is dividing the whole data set into two parts. This should be 10, but little bit difference. That is, you can say that is equivalent. Uh, but yes, 11 is also dividing in two parts. 10 will also divide. No, 10 will not divide. 11 is dividing this data set into two parts, because 5 values are less than 11 and 5 values are greater than 11. Let us see that the third quartile, that is Q3, and to compute its formula is Q3 3 n plus 1 upon 4th. So 3 into 10 plus 1 upon 4. So that would be 33 upon 4, and that will come 8.25. So 8 observation is 16, plus you have to take weightage, you can say that difference of 16, 18 minus 16, so that would be 2 into 0.25, so that would be equal to 16.50. So if you observe that, so 75% values are less than 16.50, and 25% observations are greater than 16.50. 16.50, and Q3 divides dataset into two parts. 75% data are less than Q3 and 25% data is greater than Q3. So you have seen that how we have calculated all three quartiles. I hope this video helped you understand how to calculate quartiles using the quartile formulas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Page Postnetwork Academy for more educational content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.